Welcome to this tutorial on how to do turning chains for treble crochet. I'm going to show you 4 alternatives on how to do turning chains and how to avoid gaps, keep the edges straight, and you can try them all and see which one you like the best. The common number of turning chains for treble crochet is 4 chains, and you can either do it into the first or second stitch. And I'm going to show you first how it looks if you work the first treble crochet into the first stitch after doing 4 chains. And for many people this ends up as a wavy edge. It doesn't keep it as straight as the chains will poke out to the side, and that's why some people don't like doing this way. And you can see how it looks for me. The edges isn't like unstraight, but yeah, you can try it and see if you like this method. When you go back and do this row after, work into the first treble crochet you did. The second option is to not work into the first but the second stitch and do your treble crochet. And in this case, the chains count as a stitch, and you may end up with a gap between the chains and the first stitch you do, and you also have to work into the fourth chain when you go back on the next row, and it will count as a stitch. So you can try both methods. Then the third option is to, after doing 4 chains, pull up a loop by twisting around the chains, then yarn over, then insert a crochet hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. And what you end up with here is a combination between a treble crochet and the chains, and the edges will keep clean, and you will have a wider stitch but no gaps. And this is a great option for many, and you can try it and see if you like this variant where the edges will keep relatively straight and you have no gaps at all. And you will work into that stitch when you go back on the next row. Then the fourth alternative is something called the stacked single crochet method, where you insert a crochet hook into the first stitch without chaining and pull up a loop, then yarn over and go through 2. And then find the left leg of the single crochet and insert a crochet hook into that gap and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2. Then repeat once more, find the left leg, insert a crochet hook into that gap, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2. And now you've kind of made a chain and a treble crochet in one. However, you get the height of the treble crochet, and this is a great alternative for turning chains for the treble crochet. With this stitch, you will have a nice straight edge and no gaps. And this is a favorite when you have learned it, and many love it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to do turning chains for treble crochet.